Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're wondering, wow, she looks really busted, like usually she looks kind of hot, shut the f up, look at your mother, it's not much better. I know I haven't posted in like a month, and I don't know, my life's a mess, that's it. I don't have an excuse, my life's a mess. Feels weird standing, like I don't know like how I should adjust, but hi. Anyway, I'm so bad at videos now, I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it. Okay, just shut the f up and do it. Okay, hi! This is why I haven't posted in a month, okay? I have been not sure what to post lately, so I just decided not to post anything. Now that I am probably irrelevant, I'm back. So I decided that I'm gonna do my makeup on camera and just talk, but I'm gonna title it something really clickbait, like making myself super sexy or something so that people will click on it. I'm kidding, by the way, but also not kidding because I'm a YouTuber and that's what we do. Anyway, holy shit, can I shut the f up? I'm gonna do my makeup now. So tonight I'm going out to dinner, nothing fancy. Let's just do it because I'm bored and I'm sure you are too, and you probably already clicked off and now you're watching like fucking Mr. Beast, which by the way, he's so hot. I'm half kidding. Okay, so first of all, to do your makeup, you need to cover the fact that your skin is shit. Yeah, it's shit. I'm gonna grab my beauty blender, if you don't know what this is. It's a fucking overpriced sponge. So I'm gonna wet it, just like I wet your mom last night. Why did I say that? Like, honestly, why did I say that? I actually do wash my beauty blender, but I use hand soap because I'm not buying the freaking professional, like, whatever it is. You know, I'm not doing that. So I just kind of rub it in and, ASMR people. Holy shit, ew. Hello, my beauty blender is wet, unlike your girl. I'm gonna take this foundation, it's by Becca. By the way, I'm red because I got sunburned because I'm a stupid bitch. I need to stop saying so many bad words, like, we just got in the video, you know? Like, let's get to know each other. So let's chat. It's been a while since I posted, hi. I was putting YouTube first for a while and like, it did well, you know? Now I need to focus on school before I literally fail out. I'm not kidding, I mean, I am kidding. To my family watching this, I'm not failing. We blend it out, obviously. When I'm doing stuff that's not like entertaining, I'm gonna play music. So I'm gonna fast forward this and put some chill beats over it. Okay, so now that we've done that, I'm gonna take this concealer that is way too light. Like, it was already light before I got tanned, so this is gonna look ridiculous, but I don't really give a shit. I'm gonna put it on my face, and the goal is to look psychotic. Okay, music's going back on. Okay, so now that that is done, we're gonna put powder. So I use Beauty Bakery. I can't remember if they're canceled or not. Like, every freaking makeup brand is canceled. I can't even keep up. So I'm using my Morphe whatever, and I'm gonna put it under my eyes. I think my foundation is too light. I can't tell because this lighting is absolute shit. By the way, I'm sorry for that. Now, I'm gonna go all over the face. For my eyebrows, I use this e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. And I take this one. I don't know if you noticed, but this is the one I use. I'm gonna do that. It's gonna take about 10 years and I'll be back when I'm 31. Do you ever just mess up your eyebrows and decide to, oh my god, what is that? Do you see that? Yo, why am I such an idiot? Why couldn't God just give me actual eyebrows? My eyebrows are about as good as I can get them. Let's inspect together as a class. Yeah, they're like a 5 out of 10. But, whatever, you know, like, whatever. Hopefully no one will notice and everyone will just be looking at my ass. Sorry. Okay, so the last thing I do for my eyebrows is I use this sample of clear eyebrow gel that I got from Anastasia, and I got it about 2 years ago, I think. Honestly, I can't even remember like when I got it, but it will not run out, and I've just been using this endless supply. If you're wondering what's next, I'm not sure. I think we should maybe do like the bronzer and stuff just so I can look normal. I use this Hoola bronzer, and I have like none left, and I'm too broke to buy a new one. I also can't remember when I bought this, so that's great. So we're gonna create some cheekbone action by drawing a line on the side of our face, and apparently that looks good. And we're gonna do it on the other side because we gotta be consistent somehow, right? Now, I'm gonna take this one and go back in and pretty much just like put it all over my face until I look tan. So I'm gonna blend that. I'm not letting the brush go under the line that I drew, so it's like more up, you know? So it's like lifting. And then last but not least, trust me, not least, my forehead, because it's huge. We're just gonna go crazy with it. Oh, if you're wondering what this is, so let me give a little story time. One day I was hungry and I bought this like vegan pizza, which I never do. Like I don't buy that. And like every person that eats vegan knows like most vegan pizzas that you can buy, like the frozen ones, they taste like I bought it anyway because I was starving, and I was getting it out of the oven and I burnt the out of my arm right here. And then yesterday when I was tanning, I took like a sunscreen and put it over, and now there's a white rectangle around the burn, so it just looks stupid, okay? Like it looks stupid. What do I have going for me, honestly? Let's try to think of something. I guess the one thing I can be grateful for is my subscribers. That's it. I don't know why you guys watch this. And lastly, we're gonna go under the jaw to create a skinny legend appearance. Oh, one more thing. We gotta go in between the boobs. Now, the one other thing I do with like contour is my nose. So I go in with the Hoola, I draw 2 lines, and then I connect it, and then I go down. And then I draw a line down here, and a line right here across. Can you even tell a difference? Now I'm gonna take just a regular random brush that honestly I probably need to clean, and blend it so that you can't see the lines. For the blush, I use this NARS one. I go and put it on like the middle of my face. To be honest, my makeup lately has been very natural, as I just did all that shit. But color-wise, it's very natural. What I'll do is take the same e.l.f. palette. This is literally like my daily routine at this point. But I'll take the same e.l.f. palette and go in these colors and kind of mix them. And I'll literally just go all over the place. Like it's not even precise at all. Cute. But we're not done. So then I go in the same colors and I'll do it under and connect it, because that's kind of my kink. If you watch my makeup videos, like this is my basic technique with any eyeshadow. Also, don't get it in your eye because that hurts. For the rest of the eyeshadow, I take this random highlighter stick that honestly I've never used this brand before, but my mother gave me this, and I'll take off the lid. Am I stupid? Like, of course you take off the lid. I take this and a flat shader brush, go on it, and I'll put it on my eye. Wait, there's an eyelash. Make a wish. Let me think of something. I don't know. World peace. But yes, I will do that on the eyelid, and it's very subtle. Then I'll take the same brush from the first step and I'll blend that to make it not look stupid. Now that I've fixed that, I take the same like little brush and go into a darker color, kind of maybe like this one, and I'll just kind of outline under my eyes so it's kind of more defined, I suppose, and then take it a little bit up like that. So as you can see, like now it's slightly, like no one else would notice, but slightly more defined. Now the last thing that I do is mascara, which I hate wearing. It always like flakes off and then sticks sticks to my contacts and then my eye is like irritated all day. So I'm gonna inflict pain now by doing that. This is the one I use, by the way. It's the Benefit Roller Lash, and honestly I need to get a new one. This one is vile. Lately I've just been doing mascara, but tonight, since I'm actually going out and not just like casual, I'll do the fake eyelashes, even though I really am sick of wearing them, which is very unlike me. So I'm gonna pause this for the millionth time, and I'll be back looking like a different person because eyelashes transform you. Peace. Wait, what's that thing? What's that thing people do where they're like... I'm so sorry you had to see that. Here's this meme to help you recover. Don't unsubscribe. Okay, hi, I'm back. So I actually think I changed my mind. I love fake eyelashes. I love being a fake little I shouldn't have said that. So the last step to this makeup transformation is highlighter, which is my favorite part of doing my makeup. This is the one I use. It is called On the Cusp by ColourPop. It looks like this. It's so blinding, as the kids say. First, I'm gonna put it on my cheeks because that's the normal place to put it. Look at that. Like, that's honestly iconic. Then let's do this side. For the eyes, I take this pencil. It's called Stella, I think. Yeah. I take it in the inner corners of my eyes and use it as like a highlighter base so it can be super vibrant. And then I go in with this smaller brush like this. So I go in the inner corner part. Look at that. That's sick. And then I go in this one, obviously. And then the eyebrows. And then I take it down my nose in a little line and then a dot right here. And then I take my finger and blend it so I don't look psychotic. And it makes your nose look skinny. And then the last step is like right above your mouth, like right here. And then I wipe it off my actual lip. I'm gonna go in with some lip gloss, and this is just very natural. So here we go. The true last step would be setting spray to kind of like make it all stay, but honestly, I don't have any. Yes, this is my everyday makeup. I didn't mean to do like my everyday makeup, but here we are. I didn't feel like doing anything fancy. So you've made it to the end. Congratulations. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what you want to see next. I'm gonna go. This video is literally an hour long and I don't want to edit it. Bye!